What should I do if the steering plier jams or feeds nails poorly? Failure programs that cause the steering plier to jam or feed nails poorly. It's mainly the winding spring here that's damaged. Now we explain how to replace the winding spring. Start by removing these two screws. Remove the screws that hold the magazine roll. Remove the screws from the magazine body. Remove the screws connecting the pusher to the winding spring. The winding spring is held in place by a pin. Knock the pin off using a 2mm Allen wrench. After you knock it down, use a wrench to poke out this roller. Replace the new winding spring. Attention when replacing. Hold it down with your thumb. Turn this opening position again. Turn the bladder and it'll fit in. Then tap the pin into the position that holds the winding spring in place. The opening of the winding spring is aligned in this direction. Don't put it on backwards. After aligning the holes, tap the pin down with a hammer. Install the screws of the pusher and the winding spring. Notice that this screw is 4 by 6 mm. Push it up with a hex wrench. Press the winding spring with your thumb and tighten the screws. Check that the new winding spring flies freely. Put back the screws that connect the magazine body to the pusher. Don't tighten it yet. Then put it back on the gun body. Reinstall the screws holding the magazine roll and lock it in place. Now load the jaw section. Place jaw number 1 on top. Jaw R goes underneath. Put the 2 screws in. Putting back the latch. And then the spring latch. Lastly, install these 2 spring washers. Screw on the nut. Installation of the adjusting shims. These 2 adjusting shims are mounted between the side plate and the magazine body. Locking connecting bolts. Tighten the screws connecting the magazine body to the magazine roll. Once the repair was complete, we put in the nails and checked to make sure the nails were hitting properly.